Do you remember when rendering overnight was normal? When we'd brag about baking simulations that took 3 hours to render, only for the computer to crash at about 97%? Yeah, those were the days when we earned every frame. But now, AI is here. You type in a prompt and it spits out a frame in seconds that would have taken us weeks to render. And the big question echoing in every artist's mind is this: did we all waste our time? If you think I'm going to tell you in this video that this will change, you're wrong. But by the end of this video, you'll learn what's really going on that is not very easy to see, what tomorrow holds in this redefined workspace, where you personally fit in or stand out in the new era, and also strategies or tips to stay relevant, stay ahead, and also thrive as a business, not just as an artist. We'll unpack that in a bit, so stick around. Hi everyone, Chika here for Big Shot Movieverse. Welcome to this video. I just wanted to take out some time from the ongoing 90-day filmmaker challenge going on at about the time of this recording to just talk about a few things about our art and about our business. I'm also trying on my personal journey to talk more naturally on camera and more conversationally too, and not just sound like an ad. That's just part of the reason I chose to make this kind of in-between videos, in-betweeners I call them, and I hope to keep the value coming still. All right, back to the subject. All right, let's be real. AI has disrupted the landscape. Some things we used to call art are now called automation. Rotoscoping, keying, cleanup, even 3D modeling are now one click in some tools. But here's the thing no one tells you. What's mostly being automated right now is not the art. It's the tedious grunt work, the scaffolding that supports your creativity. AI didn't steal your creativity. It just made the ladder shorter. Because the real value of an artist or an animator is not just knowing how to keyframe, it's knowing the story those keyframes are supposed to tell. AI can create, but it doesn't care. You do. So, is it all a waste? Let's pause. Fundamentally speaking, skill never really goes obsolete. Tools do. If you've learned animation, you've probably mastered motion, emotion, timing, and visual storytelling. These are fundamentals that transcend software. You've developed a brain and an eye for things. You didn't just learn a program, you learned how to think like an artist. And that's exactly what the next wave of AI tools will need. Because those who understand the artistic language behind the tech will be the ones giving AI directions and not the other way around. So what does tomorrow hold? Tomorrow's VFX and animation world will look like this. Artists who collaborate with AI instead of competing with it. Studios using AI to rapidly prototype ideas before humans refine them. One-person teams creating Hollywood-level visuals from a bedroom. We're not moving toward the end of creativity. We're moving towards the democratization of it. I think right now, even tomorrow, imagination and not budget will be the limit. Actually, you may already have been using AI without realizing it. Blender now has AI texture generation, rigging assistance, and automatic retopology tools. Houdini is using AI for procedural generation and smarter simulations. DaVinci Resolve features AI-powered color matching, audio cleanup, and scene cut detection. Adobe tools use AI for rotoscoping, background removal, and even facial reanimation. AI isn't necessarily the enemy right now. Think of it as your assistant that just learned new tricks. Let's talk about smart and practical strategies for artists. If you're a VFX and animation artist today, here's how to stay relevant and also thrive. Number 1, learn AI. Don't fear it. Use AI to handle the mechanical tasks, brainstorming, and basic structure so you can focus on creative direction and storytelling. 2, build your personal brand. In the AI era, people won't just hire artists, they'll hire voices. And by that, I mean people who rise to the level of becoming distinct voices. So, show your style. Let your unique positioning and personality shine through everything. 3, learn the business side of things. Many creative people fail at this. Some even feel guilty or feel less like artists when they talk about money. Don't just create, learn to package, pitch, and profit. Understand pricing, marketing, and how to build an audience. Make a study of stuff like sales psychology, buying triggers, digital marketing, customer awareness stages, copywriting, email sequences, social media content that actually converts. These are topics I personally want to dig into in future videos, starting at about the ending weeks of the 90-day filmmaking challenge going on at the time of recording of this video. There'll be a thumbnail at the end of this video that can connect you with that. So if you're interested. So I'm simply saying that the artists who will survive the storm will be the ones who will be able to sell their sunshine. Number 4, collaborate across disciplines. The new creative frontier is hybrid. We can all become some sort of jack of all arts. So mix animation, VFX, AI, and filmmaking. To be honest, the lines between them are blurring anyway, and that's happening very fast. Number 5, stay curious always. Every big leap in art was once a threat. Photography threatened painters, but painters evolved into storytellers and stylists. History's repeating itself. All right, so there's hope. You didn't waste your time. You trained your eye, your mind, and your soul to create. If you're a starter, go ahead and learn. And AI, consider it as just the next brush in your toolkit. The masters of tomorrow will be the ones who know how to just pick up the brush, keep painting, and also when to stop. So, no, VFX and animation aren't dying. They are just evolving. And if you keep evolving too, if you stay curious, adaptable, and imaginative, you'll not just survive this new era, you'll help define it. Keep learning, keep experimenting. Remember this, creativity has never really been about the tools. It's about the hands, the heart, and the mind that wields them. Here's the thumbnail to the 90-day filmmaking challenge. Click to watch, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.